Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I hope to earn your subscription today. This is vlogmas number 9. I'm not 100% sure what we're gonna do today, so it's a mystery to us all. So let's get into it. I personally think I'm having the worst day ever. This laptop seems to be like a piece of crap. The iPad pen that I got doesn't seem to want to charge at all. So yeah, that's how my day's going. We are here in my kitchen, and I decided to quickly whip this thing. It's a Nutella thing I saw on Instagram. I didn't do it on camera, but I will list the recipe because it is amazing. So that is what I did today. If you enjoyed today's video, like, subscribe. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!